In this video, I am going to be explaining the additions and subtractions of fractions, and how you can solve fractions when the denominators have different numbers. And I can guarantee when this video is over, you will be able to solve fractions with confidence. Okay, so first the simple stuff. How you can calculate fractions when the denominators are the same. What you basically do is calculate the numerators together and let the denominators be what they already are. So basically a simple addition or subtraction. For example, if you have 1/6 plus a 3/6, that equals to 4/6. If you are asked to simplify the answer, you can shorten 4/6 by dividing the denominator and the numerator by 2, which equals to 2/3. When it comes to the subtraction of the same denominator, it is basically the same principles. Let's take 3/6 minus 1/6. All you do is subtract the numerators and let the denominators be the same, which then equals to 2/6. And if you want to simplify it, you can divide the numerator and denominator by 2, which equals 1/3. Now on to the more complicated things, which is when the denominators are different. The most efficient way to calculate this is by multiplying one side by the other side denominator. So what you do is take 1/4 and extend that by 3, which becomes 3/12. Then you take 1/3 and multiply that by 4, which becomes 4/12. And now all you need to do is add the numerators together, because the denominators are the same now, which then becomes 7/12. Subtractions of different denominators also rely on the same calculations. If we have 1/6 minus 1/8, you take 1/6 extended by 8, which is 8/48. Then we take 1/8 extended by 6, which is 6/48. And of course now you can just take 8/48 minus 6/48, which is 2/48. Or if you simplify, 1/24. Let's take some more complicated examples. 4/9 plus 5/7. First take 4/9 extended by 7, then 5/7 extended by 9, which is 28 through 63 plus 45 through 63, and that equals 73 through 63. Let's take a subtraction example. 8 through 17 minus 7 through 22. First 8/17 extended by 22, then 7/22 extended by 17. Now you can just subtract the numerators and you get 57 through 374. There can also be numbers which have a quite obvious choice of the same denominator. To show you what I mean, we can take 2/4 plus 1/2. You can easily see that the obvious choice of the denominator is to divide 2/4 by 2, which makes the calculation 1/2 plus 1/2. The key to fractions is to always have a common denominator, because then everything just becomes a simple addition or subtraction. If you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe and comment something.